Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, October 27th. Well, let's take a look at this S&P. I had a number of questions about the calculation of the magnitude change here between these two bullish levels and that bearish level. This indice and all of these indices trade in levels. This is the level of the S&P 500 index. It is not dollars and cents. To convert that to dollars and cents, you would multiply that number times 50, and that will give you the value of the contract called the notional value. It is calculated in terms of the price movement here in quarter of a point increments. So to go from 2500 to 2501, that is one full point, and it's broken down into 0.25 increments. Each one of those 0.25 increments is $12.50. To move one full point from 2500 to 2501 would be four ticks, four of those quarter points, and that would be $50. 50 times the number of points between these levels. So, from this bullish level to that bearish level, the the number of points is 82 times 50, 4100. The magnitude change from here, from that level to that bearish level, is 54 points. 54 times 50, or $2,700. Now, let's talk about this Nasdaq market. What we're looking for here, I was looking for follow through on Thursday. I thought we'd start making new highs. We didn't get that kind of behavior. I do expect that for Friday. I think the numbers that's going to come out are going to be positive for this market, and I do look for follow through to the upside. Well, you can see here in the euro, it is falling out of bed as this market breaks lower. And what are we looking for here? I'm not looking for the same size of move. I'm looking for about a quarter of that move to the downside. So unchanged to lower, but I'm still looking for downward pressure, but just not a dramatic move. In the interest rate markets, the 10-year notes traded 1/2 tick above that bullish level, and the magnitude change here between the bearish and bullish levels is $375. I do look for further movement to the downside in that market, and I'm also looking for that to happen on Friday. Let's move over and take a look at what's happening with the gold market. And in the gold market, we're seeing weakness. I look for that to continue on Friday as well. I'm looking for an unchanged to lower move in the gold market. We just don't have a strong reason for that market to move up. Crude oil trying to move higher. I'm not confident about the paper behind this, but if buyers are here, we should see their footprints on Friday, and that would mean an upward close for Friday's action. Over in soybeans, it's trying to work its way higher, as you can see in that shadow there, but it stayed weak. And I'm looking for unchanged to slightly lower on Friday. Again, not a big move to the downside. Now, corn traded below its bearish level. Magnitude change here is $50 a contract. The next bullish level, $353. Over in the weak contract, it traded below its bearish level. And again, the magnitude change here is $50 a contract. And the next bullish level is $434. I'm looking for a down day on Friday in the wheat and corn markets. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.